look who's in my sink. It's Elecampane. It's Elecampane. Yeah, I pretty much sliced right through it with a shovel, but this is plenty. This is plenty enough to get me some Elecampane sliced fresh into some honey for some of the best cough syrup you ever did taste. Yeah, there it is. Beautiful medicine. Okay, here they are. I gave them a little scrub. They're not quite as black now that I got some of the dirty dirt off, the compost. This, I am so happy to have this because last year I only had one Elecampane plant and that was not enough to justify digging it up. But this year I had two good looking plants, so I dug up some of it, scattered lots of seeds, and I'm gonna chop this root of Elecampane. What am I talking about? Elecampane. I'm gonna chop it up and put it into that honey. So there, hey. There could be a better way to do this, probably. I don't know. But I'm just chopping like some of the long ones into little skinnies, some of them into coins, some of them into half circles, like whatever. It's real hard root. If you lick it, like if you want to like make sure like you've got Elecampane, you can lick it. It's bitter medicine. Seriously. It tastes like cough syrup. And real bitter. So I have the tincture. I have plenty of the tincture. Lifetime supply of the tincture. The way I like to take this is in honey. Yes, it's taking all of my force to cut this root. But yeah, like just to, yeah, bad. It tastes like medicine. So when you put it in the honey, you know, a spoonful of honey makes the medicine go down. It makes it much more palatable, way better than the tincture. So I have this huge root head ball. I think I can use all that. I can use all of these little twiggies and all of these little guys too. So I will have plenty. So now I just need to get a jar. Hey, what's up? Oh, what's up? What's up? Dun, dun, dun. Now I just need to get a jar. And yeah, like basically just start putting this stuff in. Now I'm not making this to sell. So I'm smelling it, I'm licking it, like I'm just doing it the way I want to. I didn't even actually scrub all the dirt off. This is why I don't sell products. But when you're making stuff for yourself, you can do it any way you feel like doing it. And for me, like that's good enough. I'm happy with this quality. This quality is fine. So I will probably chop a few more. Now I'm just going to take my honey off. Each of these at Aldi's was like $5, so I spent $20 worth of honey yesterday. Yeah, like my tongue is numb from licking Elecampane. Okay, so I'm just going to start pouring this in. And yes, I guess I'll probably need 2 of those per jar, and just let it, yeah, there it goes, and it's going down to the bottom. So pretty. But yeah, like if you have coughing, if you have like stuff in your lungs, if you have mucus, I feel so buggy because I've been mowing and working in the yard. This is great. So I am blessed and happy to have all of this Elecampane. I have enough to share even with other people, but I think next year I'm really gonna have enough to share. Like I've tried to let it be sustainable in my yard, and I'm sowing the seeds everywhere. So hopefully next year I got more than enough, and I've offered it some to people this year because even just this much I could share. I really could. But, you know, me and 3 kiddos, we might use it all. We might. So there it is, Elecampane honey. Yay! Go team, go team, go team, go! Okay, so what I have here is, here's the first jar, and then I did about like another half jar because I'm not gonna let any of it go to waste. If I dug it up, I took it. Thank you, Gaia. Thank you, Elecampane. Thank you for giving me this beautiful plant medicine. So I don't want any of it to go to waste. So there it is. There it is. Just drizzling with honey. I only really needed to use like maybe 2 of the bottles, maybe just a little over 2 of the bottles, which is good. Look how dirty I am. Which is good because, why is that good? Oh yeah, because I'm making elderberry syrup. Elderberry syrup, and I could use a little bit more honey in that. So there it is. Ooh. That really didn't take long at all. Like really, half hour. Come on, come on. 'Tis the season to dig up some Elecampane. Fa la 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 la. Then just put it in a jar, put in some honey, got the best cost syrup you ever did see. All right, that's it. Quickie, quickie. Love you. Bye. Just gonna go ahead and top it off. I'm just gonna top it off with the honey, and make a little bit of a mess. Oh well, that's fine. Yeah, I'll just top them off. There we go. Executive decision for the Elecampane. Just top it off. Does mowing the yard always make me this weird? Does it? Honey, don't forget to put a label. If you're a really smart girl, you'd put the date too. Sadie. I don't care, I'm not. Alright, afterthought. So you're gonna have to use a stick to stir this around. And the one thing I should tell you about using fresh Elecampane is it has a lot of liquid in it. So it's actually gonna make the honey pretty runny. Yeah, you're gonna get runny honey. Honey, but it's gonna make amazing medicine when you need it this winter. And then I usually just store it in the refrigerator, that thing with all the, after the mess, that big black thing. Yeah, I just put it in the fridge. But anyways, stir it on the daily or shake it, press them under there, and yeah, it does make some little runny bubbles. Elecampane honey. And then an afterthought to my afterthought is if you just put the lid on it, like you can just shake it. This has been, look, it's dark now. This is like really is an afterthought to my afterthought to my afterthought. Like just shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it on the daily, shake it on the day, shake it on the daily, shake it every way. I'm still weird.